Hey guys, this is Daniel with PwnCNC, and I'm going to be working on installing my ATC onto my Shapeoko 5, or I should say reinstalling it. I've rearranged the garage a little bit since I'm spending more time, finally getting more time to spend in the garage and working on some very cool projects. What I'm setting up is I'm setting up my machine so that I can quickly access it. I've got cameras overhead, cameras on tripods so that I can capture what I'm doing. First is I'm going to be installing our VFD and the pneumatics enclosure in a nice convenient place so that I can access it easily and see what's going on with the machine and with those at the same time. So yeah, stick with me. Let's dig into one of our accessories. This is kind of one of our smaller accessories, but this is one of our accessories. Check it out. Our bracketing system, our VFD and PE mounting system. It comes with a couple of brackets and a whole bunch of screws. Let's go ahead and open those up, kind of spread those out. What you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3mm hex wrench. With the face of the VFD up here in the front, we're going to take these 3 screws in the back. We're going to remove those. All right. There's only one way that these brackets actually hold on into position, so it's real easy just to get those holes lined up. All right, now I have got both brackets on, and that gives me 4 spots that I can mount all 4 of these screws, and I'm going to be putting it right up here on the wall. I haven't figured out exactly where. I'll probably evenly space them out just because I want a nice view of these products, obviously, because for obvious reasons. You may hide it in the back or hide it underneath your machine or something like that. But I'm going to get to the other. I'm going to put this on the PE, and then we'll get this mounted. I did include 4 Phillips head screws so that you can mount these right onto the wall. So you've got everything you need to get this started. Just in case you are relocating the keypad on the VFD, I did include this little guy. This little guy will basically, depends on where you want to put it, but you can pull this screw out, and this little guy will allow you to run the Cat5 cable up and over and through this hole right here so that it gives a nice close connection for that Cat5 cable to go back to one of these zip tie joints. So it gives you a nice place. So if you ever wondered what this thing was, that's what that is. But I'm not going to use it. I'm going to leave my VFD keypad right onto the thing since it's going to be readily available just to the left of my machine. But again, if I was going to mount it somewhere a lot lower or inside of my enclosure here for the machine, I would definitely consider relocating that keypad. Now I'm going to mount them both up here on the wall. I'm going to take a couple measurements, make sure everything is nice and in a good looking space. Got my PE installed. Time to install my VFD. Okay, hope that was informative. I know this is a short little video. It's on one little product, and that's the VFD mounting, the wall-mounted brackets. It's a little extra item that we've released. But hopefully that was informative. It'll help you out. Be sure to like and subscribe, do all that sort of thing. Reach out to us at support@PwnCNC.com if you have any questions or comments or suggestions. We are listening. We are happy to help. And yeah, don't just own your CNC, dominate it.